Hey folks, welcome to Auman Landscape YouTube channel here. Our goal is to help you become better landscape contractors, designers, business people, all of that. I have Tyler here. He's with me with Atlantic-OASE and then Green Foundry. We won a prize giveaway drawing thing from Green Foundry for a, what's this model called? What's this thing called?
This is a 24-inch Basalt Column Kit, and it comes with everything you need to build it and get it running.
Awesome. One of the first things is sighting and location, right? I wanted to put it where maybe we catch a little glimpse of it through when people pull up, our clients pull up, a little progressive realization, that's called theirs. It's kind of hidden in and out, but I wanted the ambiance, I wanted the sound right off the patio here. So this thing's gonna be really cool, stone bubbler thing, and really looking forward to that. So here we go. And in the rear with the gear is how we like to operate at Auman and the Hardscape Academy. So we brought up our tool carrier. So if you've been to Hardscape Academy class, you'll see this tool carrier deal here. Everything's color coded. Everything is blue that belongs to Hardscape Academy. So if I see this out on one of the crew trucks, I know, hey, that belongs to Hardscape Academy. Or if they see something with orange paint on it, they know, hey, that belongs to a certain crew. Our tool cage here, our tool carrier unit, again, it's got everything from spikes to block handlers and flags and everything else you can imagine, levels, etc. And in that thing is our stuff we don't want getting wet, more like our rotary lasers and paperwork and things like that. So a little disheveled at the moment. It's been a crazy season, but we'll go through and do an inventory. Got our fabric down here to protect the patio, keep it a little cleaner. That's ideal, that's professional. Here we go. We're gonna start digging, I think. Okay, Tyler here is hand tamping. The only time I will permit hand tamping, but we're beating that number 2. Now, this is total overkill, by the way, but we're the Hardscape Academy. It's what we do. We got to work at number 57 into our subgrade, into our subsoil. And, you know, we could even go as hardcore as putting a piece of woven geotextile fabric. We're not going to do that. But we do want to beat that in there. And then we're going to level it up with our number 9 stone here to get a perfectly level base for this thing to sit on. So that's going to work out real good. Just leveled out here with a little bit of 9s in here, a little high on that corner there. We'll fix that, but just kind of screeding through here by hand. It's a little higher, a little low there, so mess with it a little bit more, but getting that just right, and then we'll set this thing on there. Here we go. Let me get out of the way here, out of the hole.
Perfect.
Cool.
Seems pretty good.
We've got this thing set now and backfilled, and we put some clean stone along these edges because it's a really narrow gap and we don't want a bunch of settling. Tyler on the awesome hand tamper there, got that soil packed in pretty decent. Now we're gonna just do a test run. We're gonna get rained out, but we got her far enough here. Let's see, so we're gonna get rained out here, unfortunately, but the rock is dirty, covered in peanut butter, mud, so we'll have to wait on some rain. We're gonna cut that fabric, get some mulch around it, and get it tied up. We'll do another video over here wrapping that up.